In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on TradingView, ensuring your charts reflect the most accurate data adjusted to your preferred location. TradingView is an incredible platform used by traders around the world for its robust technical analysis tools and real-time data. However, when you're working across different time zones, making sure your charts align with your geographic location is crucial for accurate trading decisions. So, let's walk through these simple steps to adjust your chart's time zone settings. First, you'll want to navigate to your TradingView chart. Begin by right-clicking anywhere on your chart. This action will open up a context menu, providing various options that allow you to perform different adjustments to your chart's settings. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. This will open a dialog box that is critical for any chart configuration needed. Once you've got the settings dialog in front of you, turn your attention to the options available at the top, specifically looking for either the Symbol tab or what might alternatively be labeled as Style or Time, depending on any recent updates or custom themes you might have applied. It's here within this section that you'll find crucial setting options that allow you to customize your charts extensively. As you focus on the bottom section of the tab you have opened, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Time Zone. It's important to know that the time zone option is your key to ensuring the data you analyze corresponds correctly to your local trading hours. Often traders overlook this, but having a mismatched time zone can be a costly mistake if you rely on precise market opens and closes for trading strategies. After locating the time zone dropdown, click it to reveal a list of available time zones. Scroll through these and select your desired time zone. This step is essential so that your charts begin to reflect market events as they happen in your preferred local time. Whether you're trading from New York, London, Tokyo, or anywhere else, selecting the correct time zone will synchronize your charts and data precisely to where you are or wish to operate from. Finally, after you've chosen the correct time zone, it's time to confirm your selection. Navigate to the bottom of the dialog box and click OK. By doing this, TradingView will automatically apply your selected time zone to all relevant charts, instantly aligning them with local market hours. This not only helps in planning trades, but also in reviewing historical data with time consistency in mind. And there you have it. With your TradingView charts now perfectly aligned with the right time zone, you can trade with confidence, knowing your data is correctly synchronized. Remember, keeping your tools set up to match your needs is a crucial part of any successful trading strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.